This video will show you how to download and set up your own on-premise local SFTP server for this CPI course. Later you can use this connect to CPI for testing training. For this course, I will be using this Revex tiny SFTP server. This is the link. And you can download for this one. It's just a zip file. For the SFTP server, is no need to install. You can unzip it. Yeah, only one exe. If you double click, then it will run. I rename it like this first. For this CPI course is sufficient to use this SFTP server. Simple enough and serve the purpose. Okay, after unzip, you can double click and by default it have the user tester the password as password. You can view the config or edit the config from here also. Very simple config. Okay, now I can start it, allow access. SFTP server has started and is ready to accept connection. Yes, like this, this SFTP server already started and running already. So now we want to verify if the SFTP server is working fine or not. Next, we're going to download the SFTP client. For this example, this course I'm using Fazilla. You can use any other SFTP client of your choice. Okay, I download Fazilla client. Okay, then click on this site manager, my site, then click on new site. This is the, I call it local SFTP server, and protocol I choose SFTP. Host, since I'm using my local, so I put this local IP address. The port have to match with the port that is used by here, used by the SFTP server. By default, this Revex SFTP server is use this port 2222, so I follow the same. Normally SFTP is 22. If you not specify, it's 22, but for this case I specify 2222. Then the user is tester and password is password, lowercase. So I connect. Okay, now connected already. Listing the root directory. The SFTP root is in this data folder, like this test file. If I choose another file, another file, call another, then if I refresh here, we can see another file with the empty byte. Yep, okay. So this is a local SFTP server already set up. Yep, that's it for this. If you have other SFTP server already, so you no need to use this. But in our course, it's better, easier to sell our own. Then we can immediately see the result in a local. I will stop here and I will proceed next step on next video about the cloud connector setup.